Hello, friends. Astrologer Mohnish here. Thank you for being part of this wonderful journey. This is a members only video, and I'm very thankful and grateful to all my members, my premium subscribers, who are showing trust, faith, and devotion towards the science of astrology and towards me. As we predicted, Donald Trump won, and what we saw last week market, it's all skyrocketing because of the Trump rally. What is the catalyst behind it? It's Trump, right? It's not the planetary position or transit. Sooner you will see that the market will come back to its normal position, how we are predicting. Now, in this video, we will just cover how our portfolio is doing. The stocks we've been predicting, we've been writing on our website, on our YouTube channel, that these are the stocks you should be buying, you should be investing, how they're performing, we see that. And we also see how our VIP indicator is performing. And then how you can fine tune things through the VIP indicator to see what you can do to make any trade being profitable. Again, if you are just buying and selling stocks, you are always limiting your profit gains or limiting your success rate. Because if you want to be a real good trader or very successful in trading, you need to add options also in the stock trading. And you can learn options, and I'm also putting some videos about how to write a call option, how to buy put options, how to hedge your trades. But options literally give you that leverage that you can change any losing stock or losing trade into a winning trade. And I've been doing it again and again and again. I've been showing it, and I will share more techniques with you guys. So in this video, very quickly, we'll go over all the stocks I've been highlighting to buy in your portfolio, and let's see how they're performing. We'll do it once in a week, maybe Saturdays or maybe Sundays. Whenever I get time, I will go over the stock list again just to show you every week where we are. It gives us also an opportunity to self-respect, reflect on our predictions and to see what we can do best to give you more success in your trades. So let's go one by one. So I'm going to share my screen here, and then I'm going to open my website where I've been predicting. So let's see the top US stocks, how they're performing. So first is AMD. So in AMD, let's say I'm using daily chart. AMD is, so what we predicted is we predicted bullish, hold till I wait till our VIP indicator says buy signal. And you see the buy signal came here on the day of earnings. Now earnings is always a very complex, challenging situation. Earnings means volatility. That's it. People who are rebalancing their portfolio, the bigger companies, they are waiting for this day. Okay. So most of the time, what I have seen that the price movement is already baked in. You see, before the earnings, the price was going down. This is the insider trading is happening here. Okay. Insiders know what the earnings would be for AMD, and they are repositioning their stocks. And you will see that whenever the earnings are coming, 5 or 6 days or 10 days before the earnings, stocks start showing big up and down. This is because the insider trading is happening. Okay. Now on the earnings date, it went up. Bullish sign came, but it go much further and it came down. Our VIP indicator hit its stop loss, which is okay. Stop loss hitting is good because it's helping you not to gain or add into losses or go into losses. But normally what we do is when you, let's say you buy a hit here and then it's here and then it flips down, you write a covered call. That's it. If you write a covered call, you still make money, and options covered call, and then you profit from the premium. Okay. So normally this is what we do. Okay. So whenever you buy a stock, let's say you buy it at 160 level, for instance, and then it went to 165, fine, you can, still making money. But the moment it came down to 147, you start writing covered calls and start collecting the premium on writing options and rebalance your portfolio. And you will see sooner this stock will go up, and then you made money through premium, collection of your options also, and you made money by stock going upward also. Okay, so this is how you can flip any losing trade into winning trade. So we are still bullish on this AMD. You see it start popping up. The moment it shows buy signal here, you can buy it, readjust your portfolio, but hold it, don't sell it. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Google. Google is my favorite. I bought a lot of Google stocks recently, and everything went up. Let's see the alphabet, and you see that it's moving upwards. Or again, on the day of earnings, you will see the sharp volatility happening. This is normal because, as I said, insider trading happens on the earnings, and the more major companies hedge fund managers, investment bankers, they redo their portfolio adjustments. So again, this is bullish. You see, we hit our target. So what we our target was take profit at 170, and now it is at 179. So it hit our profit zone. Sign is showing waiting. Now, another thing, if you want to continue play this game, now our indicator will say waiting because it's waiting for the next bullish wave, but this wave is still continuing. Okay, this wave is still continuing. You see bullish sign here. After that, there's no bearish sign. There's nothing here. So this means this wave is continuing. You can play this wave again here. Let's say you enter here, you take your profit here, and then it's still up. This the oscillator indicator, you can still play this game again whenever it says green here, green here. So this wave, if it goes here, 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 you continue play it. Don't wait for only bullish sign here. If this wave is good enough, you can continue to play this game, this wave again. When you watch the lower indicator, it will go to, let's say, red here, and then it becomes green here. And if it is no green coming here, you can still play it. Okay, but then you play not the daily, you play only the hourly. For instance, if I have to play Google on hourly chart, I'll go for 1 hour and I will see for when is the big wave coming. You see, in 1 hour, the retracement is happening, right? So in daily chart, we know the trends are bullish in daily. Okay. In hourly chart, it's pulling back. Okay. Pullback happen. So pullback happen can here, and here. You watch this indicator. The moment it turns green again, and then either you wait for this to turn also green, or this turns green, and you can enter the trade for 1 hour and then make more profits. Why in 1 hour you can enter this green trade here, like when the sign says green here? Because in the daily trend, it's already green. So you have to understand in the bigger picture, the trends are already green. Okay, so trends are already green in the bigger picture. So this wave is still forming. This wave is still forming. There is no red signal came here in the daily chart. That means if you go back to 1 hour chart, you can play the very safely. You can play the game when this turns green here again, and you don't even have to wait this one because on the daily chart, daily trends, the indicator is still showing bullish. Okay, so this is how you play it. Okay. And if you have any confusions, you can always reach out to us and we will help you understanding how you do this. Amazon, let's see Amazon. Amazon is, we said hold buy when VIP indicator shows buy signal. So AMZN, let's say that. Amazon is doing fine, very fine. So it's 1 hour chart. Let's go for the daily chart. And you see that here? So the bullish sign came in here on 30th of October. It hit our profit zone and it's still now waiting for the next big wave. So what you do is again, you do the same thing. You see the momentum is very high. Okay. You go back to 1 hour. Okay. If you are playing a daily or swing trade, and in 1 hour chart, this is pullback is happening. So this is pullback happening here. Wait, this turns into green. Okay. There's a green sign here, and this wave is continuing. So whenever this green comes here on the lower indicator, put a alert here. Okay, put your alerts. And if I've already covered how to put alerts here. So you right click here and say alert, add alert, and then VIP gamma GMMA indicator and say once per bar, and then you put your alert name. Let's say Amazon AMZ and bullish. So what happened is whenever this indicator turns bullish, okay, you will get an alert on your phone if you're using your phone for TradingView, or just load the app TradingView on your phone, and wherever you are, you'll get an alert. Okay, and then once you get an alert, you can jump into it again and make money with the big wave. Okay, always use a daily chart to know where the trends are, and then use 1 hour chart or smaller time frame charts to see how you can make money with the same wave going upwards and downwards. Friends, I've given you a very big tool in your hands. Now, you need to be a little creative to know how to use it. Okay. I understand when I give my predictions are telling you where the market directions are. And I'm always showing you that the markets will be bullish. This month, we are in the Libra sign of new lunar month. Sudden ups and downs will be seen in the market. Ups, we have already seen Trump rally. Downs can also be there anytime. Whenever the pullback will happen, it will happen big because Libra is an Aries sign. So Don't just wait on those predictions when it's up and down. Wait, look at your indicator, put that alerts so that you're always covered. This indicator is the tool in your hand, just like you have the meters and the all the information gadgets on your car. When you know what speed you are in, you know what direction you're in, what torque, what horsepower, and you adjust based on everything is seen or visible on your dashboard. Same is what our indicators are doing for you. Okay, so use them, play with them again and again, and you will see. Use the daily chart to see the trends, and then 1 hour or the smaller time frame charts to play your game. Okay, so that's how you should be making good money in that. Then we have Apple. Let's see what Apple is doing. We predicted bullish, take profit at 235. So Apple, you see Apple is pretty much on the daily chart. Let's see that. It's bullish. Okay. So the trends are a little bit choppier here. Pullback is happening, but it's showing sell signal. Now, this sell signal is there. If you played this game, you should be out. You should be selling here. And then you see when this line is almost going upwards, that means that momentum is reversing. So you should be getting out of this trade. So rather stay bullish. I'm still bullish on Apple, technology stock especially. 235 is the target. It will hit 235 very soon. Okay, so stay bullish on this. Next is BWXT. So BWXT, let's go in there quickly. This is also a very good stock to hold. BWXT, you see it's going upwards. The trend is very much bullish. Pullback. So recent pullback happened, making some room here. And whenever the pullback is happening, you see the red sign coming here. But this indicator tells you where the momentum is going now. Momentum is shifting back towards bullish. And again, whenever the bullish waves are big, pullback is small, that means the market will go much, much, much upwards. Okay. So always see this whenever you see, engage, or test any stock or scan any stock, you see the bullish runs are longer than the bearish runs, right? Bullish waves are longer in the daily chart. That means whenever the pullback happens, never short your positions. Wait for the next bullish run. And if you are too much impatient, then play the 1 hour game instead of a daily game. Okay, so 1 hour, play the bullish game only. Whenever the bullish signs comes in 1 hour, play that. So this is in 1 hour. Let's see that. So bearish happen here. It's very choppy, right? So you can see it's very choppy. It's like literally going nowhere in no direction. So rather stay with the 1 hour and play the safe game. Okay. BVS, Bioventus. Okay, it's a very good stock to hold. So I'm holding many positions of BVS too. So again, bullish. We booked the last target, what we gave, it achieved. Let it retrace and buy when VIP indicator says buy. So again, we are waiting it to, this was the bullish sign here. It went upward, hit its profit taking zone. The profit was 9.6. Let's see what is the profit settings. Our ATR is set to 1.5. You can adjust this also if you want to have a conservative approach to 1.0 or 1.5 is a default. So it hit the target and still bullish. And again, the same scenario happened. Now you will ask me that, okay, still showing bullish. What shall we do? We shall wait for another bullish sign to enter trade or no? No. The same line is going bullish. This wave is bullish in the daily chart. It is safe to enter when this turns bullish. Okay. And it happens 3 times here. You see that? Even though it didn't go much longer, it was more like a retracement and sideways trends. But if it turns bullish here again, you can enter the position and keep this stock in your portfolio. It is a very good stock to hold. It is in the news nowadays, and it is showing positive earnings also again and again. And you will see that it will show the next target very soon when this indicator also turns green. So we are very bullish on BVS right now. You see all the earning dates, how it flip-flopped. The reason is readjustment of portfolio or insider trading is happening that way. So look at DY. So DY is again bullish. So we are holding it. DY shows that target hit 93. So last target was hit 193. And in daily chart, there's no signal coming because we are waiting for the big wave. But you can see here, the markets are turning bullish here. So this indicator is almost turning green. And if you see that there's no indicator in the daily chart, that means our indicator is not reading or not getting the biggest wave to tell you where you should be investing. and where the direction is, then what you do is turn into 1 hour, and then you can see the calculation will come. You see in 1 hour, it's very strongly bullish. Take the profit at 195. So DY is bullish, stay bullish with that. GTech, bullish, take profit at 3. So let's see how GTech is doing. GTech, we hold some positions of GTech also in our portfolio. And friends, what I predict to you, I'm also holding those portfolios. So let's do that 1 day chart. And then you see it's retracing right now. So it's going, it started upwards. So we wanted the target of 3. It almost hit 295. And then it started pulling back. So this pullback is happening. So I would say hold it. And then the moment it goes up, there's a wave forming here. And then the next wave will be the bullish trends for GTech. So GTech is good stock to hold. The earnings may not be, okay, it's coming on 11th November. So wait for the earnings. And you see, this is a typical scenario. Okay. The insider trading is happening now. So people are, trying to readjust their portfolio or selling the stocks or writing more put options, knowing that something may not come in line with the earnings, or maybe that they already know that the the stock has already hit the highest, and now it's best to book the profits before the earnings comes into it. So profit booking is happening before the earnings coming in here. So this is a typical play what the big investors or the insiders does. Hold this stock, don't sell it. Hims and hers, okay, HIMS. So it was in the news recently, and we know it didn't do very well, even though we predicted it should be doing well. So Hims and her, it went up. Now it's showing good trends. So good upward trends. Buy signal is showing here. That means that, and the target is at 28. I will be a little conservative with this. What I'll do is I'll just go to settings and I see if I put a little bit less target here, because I don't see volatilities that much in this trade that it can go that high. So I will book my profits here. So profit booking is 26.90. So this is what we should do, and I will update that here. So hims and hers looking very good. Stay bullish with it. XID Indian. Okay, I actually repositioned my Indian portfolio. XID is a ETF. There's an INDA ETF also. Um, you can hold it if you're in the United States. XID is in a Canadian exchange. So you see that it is retracing. Okay, so I readjusted. I bought it when it was 42, and I actually sold it when this sign came here as a red, somewhere around 56 levels. So half of my position has been sold. So to book the profits, but I'm still holding many more, 50% more. Indian markets are very good, very hot. India is a booming economy, and I'm sure with the Trump coming in, India will invest more in the technology trade and biotech with the help of United States. So again, we are very bullish with the Indian market. I think INDA, if you are in the United States, that's the one you should be taking. So INDA is in US and XID is in Canada, Canadian Stock Exchange. But play this, buy this, good time to buy, retracement is happening. So what you do is when this sign goes green and this turns green, then buy it. Keep some stocks of Indian stocks, Indian market in your portfolio, because it will really go very, very high under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi. JANX, JNNX, JANX, JANX, let's see that. So it is, yeah, it's again, we are showing bullish trends, hold, book profit at 46. It hit our profit taking zone. So the last profit we say is 46, that's it. And now we are waiting for the next profit. So let's see, it is at 54. And if I readjust my ATR, you will see what is the next profit zone we are getting. ATR is based on the volatility, okay? So how much is the volatility? Based on that average true range is found, that how much we see anticipate this can go upwards. So again, very bullish, hit the target. The next target is 57.9. It is almost there. We're going to hit it very soon. Okay. So again, bullish. See how much it is doing well for us. Lupin is my favorite. I have invested a lot of money in Lupin, and this is a biotech. It's a very good stock to hold. And you see that how much big waves it has formed. I bought it at here actually. And then some options, not the stock because it's very expensive. So holding one option for 100 stocks, and then I sold it somewhere here. I still hold it. few of my stocks in here because whatever the money I made in options, I bought the real stocks with that. So retracement happening, pullback happening, wait, hold it, and you see the moment it turns green here, the stocks will jump upwards. Always scan the stock like this. The bullish waves are very long, and the pullback is very short. That means the stock is investors are waiting for it to pull back so they can buy it. This is a good sign. That means the new people, new companies, or the major companies, they're just waiting for the discounted rate. The moment the discount comes here, they will buy it. Okay, so this is the beauty of stock trading, and our indicator is showing you the same thing. Now the pullback is happening, the discount is happening. The moment this line, okay, so follow this line, the oscillator, the moment it turns green, and then it will turn green, it is a buy opportunity. Okay. Or you can even, if you are a very prudent investor, you can even go it. We want to hold it for long term. When this turns green, you buy some stocks, and then the other turn greens, then you buy more. Okay, so you keep buying whenever you see the green signals happening. Okay, so MDT is also a very good stock to hold. MDT, let's see that. Medtronics. MDT, we predicted hold and let it retrace till to $82, and it is retracing to 87. So let it retrace more. I see there's more room. Maybe it can come um, up to 83, 84. And if you want to see more retracement level, the Fibonacci series is a very strong way of doing that. Fibonacci retracement. I'm going to put a line here. So let me just delete this, and then you see Fibonacci retracement, and then here it is. You see that? So now we see the support and the resistance here. I will see it will come to 86. So this is the resistance and this is the support. It has breached the first support level, okay, 88. Now the second support is somewhere in the middle, okay, somewhere in the middle, depending on how the volatility plays out. But I would say that either here or here it will hit, and then it will go upwards. Okay, so this is how you again test where the major resistance and support comes. Fibonacci is again a series created by the same methods of astrology. So Fibonacci, the golden ratio, and astrology, they're same thing. Okay. So that's the reason if you're following astrology, use Fibonacci. Okay. And one more thing which I use normally is volume profile. I can show you that. See, I'm not hiding anything from you guys. I'm very honest and very transparent. So fixed range volume profile, let's see that. Or visible volume. So fixed range will show you here. So you click on here and then draw a line, and you see that volume profile will be seen where the volume is, where the meat is, where the buyers are buying. And you see this is the red line where the buying and selling is mostly happening. Here it is. So this is the line 89. Okay. So this tells you the fixed range. We just measure this way. We are measuring this way from here till here, and then we see where the volume is. And if you don't want to do that, you can do the easy one. That is, let's see that. Visible range volume profile right there. So these are the indicators you can find on TradingView, and you see that here. Even this is showing that the volume is drying up here. So that is a strong resistance comes in nature, right? So this is how you can gauge, even through our astrology, our predictions, that where the major buying and selling happening. Okay, and I can show you people are very excited with the bitcoins. Let's see what's happening with the bitcoins here. I see that cryptocurrency. You see where the volume is. Let's see that. Okay, so our indicator is showing buy. Again, you can buy it. I'm still, not buying bitcoins because I know the pullback will happen. You see that there's no volume after this. 77K after that, there's no volume. This is all Donald Trump rally because people know he's a pro bitcoins, and he and Elon Musk is waiting and making some plans to buy or make a new cryptocurrency to get rid of all the 3 trillion debts what the United States has. This is why, because people are buying this. Wait for it to cool down. Okay, never jump into the market when everybody's buying. You will make a mistake. You see, this is bullish. I know it is bullish. You could have played 1 hour chart, made some money. Everybody did it. I did not, because I still know that for the average range should be somewhere 66, 68K. Okay. And if Bitcoins go above that, I'm not comfortable. Okay. And I know why astrologically it's happening. Again, Mars is aspecting the Revati Nakshatra, the Jyeshta Nakshatra, which is ruled by Mercury. So that is causing this volatility, high spike in the prices. But be patient. Okay, you never miss out anything in stock market, even if you miss one wave or the two, because stock market is always buying and selling happening. So never think you missed out something. You never missed out anything. Okay, it's just either you embed our forecast with the indicators or you just play with the indicators. I've given you the tool. Okay, if you think that okay, even Mohnish is saying that the Bitcoin should be at the range of 68, 70, but the indicator is showing it's going up. That is indicator is showing what people are doing, what market is doing. You can do that. You can play, but play with 1 hour. Play with 5 minutes, 10 minutes game. Don't play with a daily game because I don't want you to buy your bitcoins and then you sleep. And when you wake up, it's back to 68. Then you will say, oh, what did we do wrong? Okay. So that's the reason. Be proactive rather than reactive. MU, Micron Technologies. MU is bullish. Again, we predicted it's going to be very, very good company to stock to hold. 106 is the target achieved. So it's going back to bullish. You see that the after the pullback on the earnings, it's going up. So 113, and then we are saying that bullish 106 target achieved, 123 is the next target. So yeah, wait for the next target, 123 right here. Buy signal is there. Okay. So it's very good. MSFT, Microsoft. I don't hold a Microsoft in my portfolio, but soon I will do it. I'm just waiting for an opportunity to buy. Microsoft is going to invest some AI technologies, and we are waiting for it to invest in that, and we will buy and have it in the portfolio. Good earnings. So again, good stock to have. Um, Hold. We put it on hold because it's very choppy. Okay. So again, I would say wait till the green signal comes in here and then you buy it. So green signal in both scenarios. Here the green comes, wait for it to turn green. This is green. Okay. The momentum is going upwards, and the moment it comes green here, then you buy it and then hold it till the profit taking zone is hit. Nvidia. I hold many Nvidia. Okay. I do option trading with Nvidia. Nvidia. Okay, I have 500 NVIDIA stocks right now, and I keep writing covered call options. So let me remove this volume profile to make some room for you guys. And you see that bullish sign. Take profit 159. Okay, so buy bullish is rare and it's going upwards. And it's a very good stock to hold. And if it goes down, let's say that you buy in here and it's from here, it starts tanking down a little bit, pullback happens, you start writing covered calls. To write a covered call, you just need to have 100 stocks minimum in your portfolio. That's all. And I will show you some methods how to write put calls options to play the downside risk also. If it goes this way down, how you can protect your portfolio. I'll show you. Can just stay tuned and be a part of our channel membership if you want to learn trading, slowly and gradually learn everything. OGN, Oregon, OGN. So NVIDIA is buy, okay? So keep NVIDIA in your portfolio. So OGN is it's tanking down, okay? So we are saying that previously target, hold and wait for the VIP, okay? So it hit the last target we gave. Now a pullback is happening. I hope you made some profits in this. If you happen to been following this in our last prediction, and this time it's going down. So don't do anything. Just hold it if you hold the positions, okay? Or if it is hit your stop loss, trailing stop loss, then it's okay. You get out of this position. And now what you do is just wait for it to retrace. It is pretty much down from 22 to 17. I would rather wait for it green signal here and then green signal here. Then we will adjust the portfolio or buy some of the stocks. So hold for this. Don't go for it. So Pet IQ, we see it's still bullish. See the bullish trend? It going upwards and it will hit its target very soon, which we are saying that 30.69. So it is almost 28.60. It's going upwards. So PLTR, this is my favorite. PLTR has made a lot of money recently. A lot of people, a lot of my traders, my followers have made money there. Look at it. Hit the profit zone. PLTR. So we wanted last target 40 and now it's 58.39. Very, very good stock to hold. So if you buy in here, you hit your profit zone here within few days and see where the stock is going. See the big waves it's making since from last so many months, right? So amazing stock to hold. So hold that and buy more. PubMatic, PUBM. Let's see that PUBM, how it is performing. PUBM is started to go upwards now. Okay, so a lot of retracement happened, pullback happened. So I would say hold it until the buy signal comes. We can readjust your portfolio, and then it is going to upwards towards 17.26 or maybe $18. So hold it and wait for it to show the buy signal. QCOM. So let's see QCOM, how it is performing. And QCOM is also a stock which I hold in my portfolio. So hold or buy when the VIP signal says buy. So the buy signal came here, but it is not showing much of the trend going upwards. You see, the line is very thin. It's okay. You can hold it. This will go up. Astrologically, we have seen Qualcomm Dasha periods and the transits currently. So this is a stock which is bound to rise high. Okay, so that is the buy signal is here right now. So buy it and hold it and see by the end of this year, it must hit the 195, 200, or even more than that. So the current transit period is very good for Qualcomm. Shopify, again, it's a good stock to hold. And again, these are based on not only technical indicators, the astrology predictions also. I only predicted these stocks which are astrologically good to have. They are going through the good period of their incorporation or their dashas, uh, in their birth charts. So these are the trend setters. These are the stocks which will give you the maximum returns. Now, again, we cannot be 100% accurate. 98% or 99%, 97% accuracy is very strong accuracy in predictive financial astrology. So if you hold these stocks, even one or two are not doing good, which is okay, nothing to wrong, nothing is wrong with that. All you need to do is just wait for those stocks to come back and make sure that the other stocks what you hold in your portfolio is giving you the maximum returns. Or what you do is when the stocks are not doing good, like say Qualcomm or Pubmatic, then you start writing their covered calls to make money and cover your losses. This is a good stock to hold. Shopify. See the buy signal came here. It hit the profit zone. So we were saying that bullish target achieve 82. So 82 target achieve. And now the next time you see, this is a typical scenario where the buy signal came here in the same wave. So this wave is continuing on the daily chart. The buy signal came here, you buy it again. Okay, this is very easy. If you are getting confused with this, then you can go for 1 hour and then the daily chart is bullish. In 1 hour, whenever the bullish sign comes here and here, you buy it. Okay, again. So this is how you play the game with our VIP indicator. Again, now after that, SKWD. Let's do that. SKWD. Okay, this is very good stock. See again bullish. Take profit here. Buy signal is there in our VIP indicator. So this shows that take profit at 51. So buy it. Good stock to hold. Tesla. Again, Elon Musk. Tesla is in the news nowadays, and it will be because Trump has won. Look at it, where it is. Okay. So again, I was not very bullish on Tesla initially because their transit is not very good, to be honest. Okay. Astrologically, this chart Tesla is not a very good stock to hold till November. And now we are in November and going into December. The transits have changed again because of Elon Musk and Donald Trump, and it is showing bullish trend. The healthy range for this stock is still, I would say, um, let me draw a Fibonacci here, and I can tell you my astrological predictions on this chart and what I see is the healthy range of this. This is close to 249 till 266. This is a healthy range. Okay. After this, it's a nervous range. Like, do you see really people are going to buy Tesla stock at this price? I don't see many big companies and hedge fund managers will buy it. You see that there's no volume here. So if you see this thing, you understand the volume. This is the retail volume. The smaller bars are the retail. Retail means people like small traders, small, banks. They are buying and selling maybe. But the big guys are here. The elephants are here. The elephants will buy it when the stocks comes at the 220. So this is the elephant bars. This is where the volume comes when the big guys who want to buy this at the discounted rate will buy it. These are like traders like small house traders, you, me, or other, thousands of people who are buying and selling in the anticipation and the sentiments and the emotions that this will go up. So look at these bars, okay? So and this is what astrology does also. When we look at the astrological chart of these corporate giants, we look at where the transits are. Saturn and Jupiter sets the bigger trends. Mars and Venus and Mercury sets the smaller trends. When Mars comes into the picture, it will show the bullish, but those bullish trends are smaller trends because Mars will move in 14 days from one nakshatra to another nakshatra. The Jupiters, the Saturn, the Uranus, the Pluto, they stay in one sign for years and years. They sets up the big tones. That's the beauty of astrology. Okay. Again, and Fibonacci series is astrology. It's a golden ratio, universal law. Anything which is universal law, it tells you the real thing. Okay. So let's go back to our list, and then we have Tesla, and then we have JYNT. Okay, JYNT, good stock to have. JYNT, and you see the joint core daily chart. It's popping up. Okay, hold when the VIP signal says buy, then buy it. So JYNT buy signal came here. It's again, a little bit choppy, up and down, not doing as we are anticipating or as we want, but I'm sure this will go up. The two earnings came bad, but this is a stock which will do well because of their the planetary transit positions. So I would say hold it till you see bigger wave coming in, and then buy more. Or there's no need to sell. There's no panic selling here because there's a strong support at the level 10. So this will only go up, won't go down now. Okay. So this is the list of stock we did. And then there's more stocks, hot stock picks. Again, in the hot stock picks, I won't go in the details, but most of the gold ETFs, again, the gold has dropped just because of the Bitcoin's rally. But if you see these stocks like, LB, and then you see HROW, they are doing very good. Okay, so they are doing very good. So HROW, I'll show you quickly how it is performing. HROW. I hold this stock, that's why I know it. You see that it's going upwards. Okay, so it came down momentarily, pulled back, healthy pullback. It's not a crash and then going up. Same is with the gold. So these are the gold ETF. These are good to have because gold and silver is always going up and it balances your portfolio. And we are saying hold this for long term for 4 to 6 months time. Okay, so again, these are the stocks for 4 to 6 months. And you can do that swing trade also 9 to 27 days. Okay. So don't get panic when the stock goes down. People start panicking because you have a narrow vision. So gold is down because of the Trump rally. Okay. But will it go down? Do you think so? There's a lot of Middle East tension, a lot of problems going on. And Saudis are working with China and Russia to start their own currency for petro dollars alternative. So if you don't have gold in your portfolio, you're missing out big thing. Gold is a real gold. It's a highly liquid thing. Bitcoins, cryptos, they are good for trading, volatility, make money quickly and get out. They are not the things which you can hold in your portfolio for long. Right? If you're holding the Bitcoins and crypto for a longer period, you're doing a big mistake because one day you will be sleeping and when you wake up, it's gone. Play slowly. Okay, play slowly. Like you keep it for a few days and then sell it, make your profit, let it come down, then play, then play, then play. Unless you have a deep pockets that you don't care. Million, 1 million, 2 million here and there, it goes, you don't care. So most of the people who are holding Bitcoins for longer term, they are the rich people. They don't care, where it goes in certain amount of time, and they also put their trailing losses. Okay, so their stocks, their equities, their wallets are being handled by the strong big traders. Okay, and those big traders, if they're buying Bitcoins at 70K, they will put a trading stop loss at 68K. Okay, even if the person is sleeping, it hits down 68K, it's minimizing their losses. Okay, and then it goes to 72K, they will put a stop loss trading at 70K. So this is how they play the game. That's why they sleep easily. But if you have a small portfolio, small limited money, you should not be keeping crypto for that long, right? Just make some money and get out, and then make money, then get out, then make money, then get out. Okay, so this is how you should be playing. Okay, I don't want to make this video very long. So again, we will cover many other stocks. So monthly dividend payers for US, very good stocks to hold. You can go for this. I will update this list again. Okay, what are the stocks I'm recommending you to buy for the dividends? Then the gold and silver crude ETF and the stocks I mentioned here, you can go for this list. Again, they are all, following the gold and the silver index. Gold will go up, okay? Top India stocks, if you are an Indian audience. So these are the top stocks in India. Okay, very liquid, very strong. I'll update the list, but most of them are still very strong buy in the hold. And then we have a top Canadian stocks also. So hot stocks picks for Canada. So here it is. Okay, I'm in Canada, so I bought all these stocks. So they are in my portfolio right now. Banking sector in Canada is very amazing. It's much stronger and better than US. So if you hold some of the banking stocks of Canada, you will not go wrong. And the list also shows that Canadian. There's a gold stock also, but the most of the um, financial stocks are Manulife Financial. Okay, and then we have Versa Bank here, and then there's a Royal Bank of Canada, which I hold, and then IA Financials. Very good stocks to hold. Okay, they give you lots of good money, and again the time period 4 to 6 months. Okay, to make some money in that and get into the the profitable zone. Stocks under 10, again, I'll update it, but they are very good. So these are the stocks, Bioventus. EVLV is in the news. EVLV has really done very bad. So I was disappointed, to be honest, EVLV, with how it did. Something wrong with the leadership, to be honest. The company is so good. Their IPO chart is so amazing. I was hoping it to go very high, but something wrong done by the management or the CEO. We're going to figure that out. I'm going to find the CEO birth chart to see what's wrong with that. It started slowly going upwards. I would say put a trading loss. If it hits your trading loss, then get out of this trade. Don't keep this company in your portfolio. But if it goes up and it's recovering your losses, then let's recover the losses. Okay. So this is what my hold sentiments. I'm not saying that it will go further down because it has a strong support here. But if stock has moved, from $4 till to $2, like 50% drop, then we are just emotionally waiting for it to go up. Okay. But as per the astrology chart, the company has strong potential to go upward. So I would say let's wait for a few more days and see how it performs. If this drops down furthermore, I will just liquidate my position. Yext, Com, GCI, Wolf, and Zora, they're all doing very good. Okay. I'll put some more stocks under 10 and just continue to watch it. And then and you see that how our VAP indicator, it's a game changer, right? Even for Indian stocks also, if you want to see some of the Indian stocks, how they're performing, like ICICI Bank, our indicator works on all. Okay, so this is ICICI Bank. You see the indicators working well, and then you see on Microsoft, and then all the Indian stocks here. There is Apollo Hospital, the NIF3, the Sensex. So our indicator is good for any stock, any trade, any equity, any cryptocurrency you use it. Sensex, Indian stock market, you see it is showing that pullback is happening. Okay. So that's the reason I readjusted my portfolio of XID Indian stocks. So guys, we'll do this every week, so make sure that we are transparent, we are honest. I try my best to give you my best to best abilities, astrological predictions. We are also creating a model, few new models based on AI. Those models are used by big corporate giants, and my IT team is working with me to bring those models to your home. So you will use those models. They can predict, intraday where the price can be for a particular stock. It can also predict where the stock price would be next to 4 to 5 days with 96 to 97, rather 98% accuracy. Okay. We don't claim to be 100% accurate. Nobody can be because we are not God. You need to understand this. Every human being has a limitations. Okay. But even if with 98% accuracy, you can make huge success. Okay. Because no platform, no indicator is above 80% accurate. I am bringing 96% accuracy with my stock predictions and my VAP indicator. But if something goes wrong, 1% here and there, don't just cry like a baby. You know that, right? It's a game of patience, it's an art, and it's a science. So, my dear friends, I shall see you in my next video next week very soon. And God bless you all. Stay safe, stay happy, stay awakened. And I'm very thankful to you for all your trust and devotions towards my channel. So you share this knowledge, like the videos, tell it to your friends and family that if you want to really make money and be a successful trader, follow me. Thank you.